that 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71 white crew cab. What we got done on it was it's still got the stock outlet converters, all three, and then we put a Super 10 Flowmaster on it, and then widened out the back into 4" by 18 black tips. Came out nice and beautiful. There it is. Hope you guys let us know in the comments what you guys think about it. Let you hear it in a minute. There's the duals, there's the Super 10. We always want to put a Super 10 on these because they sound the best because of the 3-cat setup. Come up with. So nice and tucked in, clean. Came out really nice. There it is. Nice and throaty. It's got the C71 off-road package. LT edition.